Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Monday, we saw some sideways sort of activity for our markets and similar sort of trend we witnessed in the US market. In fact, since the last 2 days, the markets are consolidating at higher levels and they are trading in a narrow range. It is mainly because of the market is waiting for the major events like PCI numbers, inflation numbers in the USA. So all these things actually keep the market sideways. Also, we have to face the monthly expiry in this particular week. I think that is also pushing some pressure on the market. But broadly, we are of the view that the markets are going to consolidate further till the markets are not crossing 22,300. In case if there is any correction, then close to 22,000. 21,950, we are expecting some support in the market. We are not expecting market to break the level of 21,850 so easily. So ideal strategy should be to look for adding some position if we see the market is dropping to the levels of 22,000, 21,950. So between these levels we should look for taking some contra bets with a stop loss close to 21,850. On the higher side, as we mentioned, 22,200 and 22,300 are the important levels. About 22,300 the real strength will come and that will push the market towards 22,500 levels. Now if we go through with Bank Nifty, then there also we saw in fact correction. It was trading at higher levels, but all the way again it came back to the opening levels and it closed at the lowest point of the day. The reason is because private banks are not participating and PSU banks are finding some selling pressure at higher levels. However, the overall pattern of the Bank Nifty is also corrective in a nature, and the strategy should be to look for adding some position close to 46,300 or 46,150 levels. So between these levels we should be a buyer in the Bank Nifty with a tight stop loss below 45,900. It should not break 45,900, otherwise the structure will change, and that is why keep a stop loss at 45,900 for all the trading long positions. But on the higher side, as we mentioned, 46,900 is going to act as major barrier for the Bank Nifty, and about that only we can expect some bullishness which can pull the Bank Nifty towards 47,300 or 400 levels. Finally, if we go through with some major stocks, then there we are seeing sideways activity. In fact, Reliance is still not able to cross the level of 3,000, which is like something surprising, but the overall formation is still intact, and we are expecting Reliance to cross the level of 3,000 very soon. State Bank is consolidating at higher levels, but in case if it corrects back to the levels of 745, then there we should be buyer in State Bank of India. We also like a few metal companies, but for that we need some reversal formation, and till the reversal formations are missing, I think it is better to stay away. But yes, Adani Group is doing well, on which we discussed yesterday. Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises as well as Ambuja Cement should do well in this current up move. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.